Hi everybody, it's Amalia and I'm here today with another sheet load of cards. This is the February 2024 sheet load of cards from Crafty Owl. If you're not aware, every month on the second of the month, I produce a sheet load of cards based on Crafty Owl's sketch and supply list, as well as the cutting guide. I'm part of the collaboration team, and we'll have a playlist down in the description for all of the videos from the collaboration team. You can also follow this hashtag and you'll find not only the collab team's cards from this edition of the sheet load of cards, but you'll see other people's editions of the sheet load of cards as well. Now this is a special edition using 6x6 paper, and I normally work from one paper pad until I'm done, and this is a 12x12 paper pad. And so what I've done is I've just cut the papers into four, and that makes it 4 6x6s. And for this particular sheet load, you would need 2 of each piece of design paper. Anyway, the sheet load shows you exactly everything that you need. It gives you some alternatives, where you can find Crafty Owl, but I'll have all that information as well in this description below. So yeah, I'll go through this paper pad until I'm done. Occasionally I get inspired to use a different paper pad, like last October and I believe November I did some Halloween cards and some Christmas cards, so I picked some other papers that I had, but typically I'll use one sheet of paper until, or one paper pad until I'm done. I think that I'll be able to go through some more sheet loads. Probably I'll be done by the end of the year, unless I decide to use other stuff for my cards. But let me show you my cards. This is a real easy sketch load to work on. And these are my cards. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then this is the opposite side. And 4. So those are the cards. I just used the paper from this DCWV Coral and Navy stack. I had some crushed curry cardstock from Stampin' Up, and it's been the perfect yellow to go through this paper pad with, and I've really enjoyed working with it. The thing about working with a large paper pad when you're doing 6x6 cards is that the patterns are often very large like this. So sometimes you have to stay away from the large patterns like that. But this paper pad had a good selection of smaller patterns that were very easy to work with. So that's what I did. And I think the cards came out great. I used my eyelet outlet black brads to add a little bit of something, a little bit of embellishment to draw the eye to. Sometimes there's a lot of pattern and you need something to focus on. So that's the purpose of these particular embellishments. For the happy birthday in the center, I'm using Brutus Monroe's Super Sentimental set. This has so many sentiments on it. It's perfect, and they're all different. Happy birthday, two happy birthdays, congrats, love, love your face, hello beautiful, you're the best, miss your face, sent with love, you're awesome, hello, thanks, thank you tons, thank you, hi, sent with love, get well soon, ooh la la, good luck, thankful for you, congratulations, you're amazing, in that tiny little and you're my favorite. And it has some little stars and hearts, and these are arrows, and there's a little set of lips right there. So it's a really pretty nice stamp set. It's got varied sentiments for very different occasions. I always need birthday cards, so that's great. Love, you always love someone, so it's nice to send someone you love a card. Miss your face, you're awesome, congratulations, graduation time is coming up, good luck, thankful. You always need a thank you sentiment in your collection of sentiments. So this is from Brutus Monroe. I'll leave a link below if you're interested in looking at this stamp set and anything else from Brutus Monroe. I just joined their design team, so that's how I came across it and that I know about it. So that's going to be a great addition to my collection of sentiments. So that's my card, folks. Let me know what you think by leaving a comment below. Click thumbs up for sure. Subscribe, please, if you're not subscribed. That really makes me happy, too. I love your comments, but I love it when people subscribe to my channel. What can I say? I really enjoy the way these came out. I already have plans for them. I send out birthday cards every month as part of Split Coast Stampers' Birthday Random Acts of Kindness. And I'm going to have a video up soon for the cards that I received for my birthday in January. And so stay tuned for that. I have a playlist with all the cards I've ever received also over the years. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel. Don't forget to take a look at the description and give our friend Crafty Al some love by visiting her channel and the channel of the rest of the folks in the collab. Thanks so much, everybody. Bye.